Hey guys, how we doing? Just starting off. Summer's in full swing, and as you can see, the garage is a little backed up with some projects, some flipping projects. Right here we got a pressure washer with an oil leak. Runs pretty good. Might want to clean the carb out just a little bit before I sell it. This here was a freebie. It's an old Briggs and Stratton generator, and I'm guessing it's late 40s just by the style of the pull start. It's the old school wrapper rope around it, and hope you don't hurt anybody. But it does run. I have the carb apart and in the process of rebuilding that. Electric pressure washer, I think it's a Husky freebie. Tweak that up a little bit. I know it has a couple water leaks, but should be good. This pressure washer is mine. It's a Honda. That has a problem with, I think it might have a decompression valve built in it. Every now and again you go to start it and it will just rip the cord right out of your hand, and it does not feel good. So yeah, that's on the low priority list because, as you all know, we fix our own stuff last. Old Homelite generator. Is it a Homelite? Mighty Light. That's what it is. Mighty Light. That actually doesn't have an issue, which is nice. It's just works like it should. That was last year's restoration project. And on top of that, my father's got a pressure washer. Needs a little help. Won't start. Ironically, that one's brand new, which goes to show you how the old stuff was built compared to the new stuff. Yeah, right now the bike's up on the lift, and I got a couple of projects I'm finishing up right now, and a couple lawn mowers. I've had this one 10 years. That one's going back into storage. What do we got? This one is a Scott's. That one's going to be take some parts off it and scrap it. Old Aaron's snowblower. Runs great. I rebuilt the carb on it, but the tires, somebody got a little overzealous with the spray foam. So that's going to have to be remedied. Craftsman push mower, no bag. That was another freebie. See if it runs. I was told it runs, but it looks like it hasn't run in a number of years. So that'll be a fun little, let's see if we can get it going video. And last but not least, this Toro commercial snowblower. It's not in terrible shape. It's mostly old. I picked that up for a couple bucks, and supposedly when they're running they're worth good money, so that'll be another eventual. Let's see if we can get it running, get it back to life, and yeah, eventually we'll get into the camper. I just got all sorts of projects going on here, but stay tuned, and do some wrenching in the garage, and hopefully have a few laughs, get some things going. Alright, take care.